Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to find Uplay activation key on Steam. So to find the activation key for a game on Uplay that you own on Steam, just follow these simple steps. Okay. So first you need to open the Steam client on your computer and log in into your Steam account. And then you go to your Steam library by clicking on the library tab on the top of the Steam client. Next is to locate the game you want to find the Uplay activation key for in your library. And then just right click on the game's title and then select View CD key from the drop down menu. So a window will appear displaying the product key associated with the game on Steam. And this key is specific to Steam and may not work directly on Uplay. So just next is to launch the Uplay client on your computer and log in to your Uplay account. Next, in the Uplay client, you locate the game that you want to activate. And then click on the game style or entry in your Uplay library to open the game's details page. Next is to look for an option that allows you to activate a product or redeem a key. The exact wording or location may vary depending on the version of Uplay that you depending on the version of Uplay you have. Next is to click on the activation or key redemption option and enter the product key obtained from Steam. Next is to follow the prompts provided by Uplay to complete the activation process. So that is the complete step to find the Uplay activation key on Steam. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. So thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.